Hey everybody, Rob Cairns, CEO and Chief Creator of Amazing Ideas up at StunningDigitalMarketing.com with a special weekend edition of the SDM Business Marketing and WordPress Show. Today I want to talk about something that's dear to my heart, and that's productivity. And those of you who have been with me a while, done work with me for a while, know me in the community, know I'm a bit of a productivity junkie. I'm always looking for an edge, a way to make my life a little more productive in my business world and my personal life. So there's a couple things I do, and I thought I'd share with you a bit of a list and give you a couple of resources on this Saturday on how you can help your productivity and make yourselves more productive. Here we go. Number one, the night before your day, take a look at your to-do list and your calendar for tomorrow. It gives you a sense of what's going on for tomorrow, and it helps get you in the right mindset. Number two, print your to-do list and calendar out and put them on your desk. Very simple, then it's right in your face and you're all set to go. Number three, get a good night's rest. If you don't sleep well, you won't be productive. Number four, have a morning ritual to get your day started. Mine's real easy. I take my puppies out, have a shower, breakfast, read the news, and then I look at the email. And I start every day that way, consistently the same. Number five, take to-do list items and schedule them in your calendar. The thought behind this is, and it's real simple, we all have massive to-do lists. We never get to them because our scheduled items take first. You have opening in your calendar, schedule them out. Keep track of what you're doing. It will also tell you where you're placing your time, which will help you in the long run. Number six, don't be a slave to your email. Only check it during certain times of the day. I only check my email 2 or 3 times a day, frankly. I'm not a slave to it. I'll get to it. When I was in the corporate world, I had directors and managers that expected you to be on top of that. And if you're in and out of email all the time, how do you really get anything done? Number seven, the same for social media. Close it when you're not using it. Self-explanatory. Number 8, turn off all email, browser, and smartphone notifications. We don't have to be jumping down every time our phone notifies us of a tweet, a Facebook post, and frankly, an email. Turn off the notifications, be done with it. Number 9, this is really important. Take a quick stretch every 2 hours or so. For me, I usually take my puppies out to the front yard every 2.5 hours, gives them time to stretch their legs, go to the bathroom, and it gives me time to walk away from my desk. Really good for the headspace, really good physically. Number 10, use a to-do list app to manage your to-dos. These days, I'm using Google Tasks just because the interfaces with Gmail really easy. Number 11, use a calendar app to manage your schedule. I use Google Calendar. I've used an electronic schedule since the days of PDA. It really helps. Number 12, make sure you eat and drink properly during the day. You need energy to function. You don't eat, you don't drink, you're going to die. And one of the things I don't do is I don't drink caffeine after noon. Number 13, don't multitask. Work on one task at a time and get it done. Number 14, for a task you have given yourself time to, set a timer. You can go to the dollar store and buy a quick timer for the fridge. I actually use an Alexa, and I've set her off now, and I say, Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. Number 15, find a way to automate any task you do more than 3 times in a day. Automation is key for repetitive stuff. There's all kinds of tools. One of my favorite tools is Zapier. Look at it. It's for electronic automation, works really well. 2 great resources I want to share. One is the Asian Efficiency Group. They have a podcast and a blog about productivity. And the other is my most favorite productivity book called Getting Things Done by David Allen. A must read if you want to get better in the productivity space. As always, Rob Cairns, CEO and Chief Creator, Amazing Ideas at StunningDigitalMarketing.com. If I can help you in any way, please let me know, and talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now. Thank you for listening to the SDM Business Marketing and WordPress podcast. This show is hosted by Robert Cairns, the CEO and Chief Creator of Amazing Ideas at StunningDigitalMarketing.com. This podcast comes out every Monday. It is available on all podcast platforms. If you'd like to be a guest on this podcast, please email us at podcasts@StunningDigitalMarketing.com. If you'd like to find out more about the digital marketing services we provide, please see our website at stunningdigitalmarketing.com. If you're interested in the projects our CEO, Chief Creator of Amazing Ideas, Robert Cairns, is working on, please go to robertpcairns.com. This podcast is dedicated to Robert's late father, Bruce Cairns. Have an amazing week. Keep your feet on the ground and keep reaching for the stars. Make your business succeed.